fried asparagus. Seriously delicious. So what I do is I set out a couple of large baking sheets and I put a wire rack inside the baking sheet so the heat can circulate all the way around. You don't want the breading on the back to get gummy. I have your traditional breading station here. Flour, egg, breadcrumb. I season every layer. The flour gets salt and pepper. The eggs get salt and pepper. The breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, of course. Lots of grated Parmigiano cheese. A little granulated garlic, granulated onion. It's basically gonna taste like garlic bread on the outside of your asparagus. A little flat leaf parsley in there. And a little lemon zest, brighten it up. Next, we're going to make a lemon garlic aioli to serve along with these. Really important, be liberal with your olive oil spray. You wanna get a good douse on these so they get nice and crunchy, and the oven is screaming hot at 450. Over here, we're gonna take, this is called aqua fava. This is a chickpea product. It's called Fabonnaise. It's not mayonnaise. It looks and tastes like mayonnaise, but it's actually made out of chickpeas. So you can start with mayo, or you can start with the aqua fava, the Fabonnaise. I'm gonna add a lot of Dijon, a little bit of grated garlic, lemon zest and lemon juice, salt, pepper, and then I love tarragon in this. And that's really it. It's super, super simple. I'm gonna mix this together and add a little chopped tarragon. I'm gonna check on the asparagus that's left that I haven't eaten yet, and we'll be right back. This is our lemon garlic aioli with our crispy oven-fried whole asparagus spears. These are fabulous. I serve them every year on Mother's Day. They're great for brunches or a party snack or as a side dish for dinner.